All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, do you ever have one of those weeks where you don't feel like doing anything? Well, that's been me this week. Pinched something in my back, not sleeping real well, nothing real major. It's not like I'm in excruciating pain or anything. It just is annoying. But I'm not really feeling the full charge ahead, flat rate, go, 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 go. And that's okay. One of the advantages of flat rate is you can work at your pace. You're not feeling it that week, you can slow down a little bit. What are they gonna say? You're flat rate. They're not paying you to be there. You're getting paid for what you turn out. And that's always something I've loved about flat rate, is the ability to kind of manage your own paycheck as long as the work's there. Other advantages and disadvantages, that's not really what this video is about. But the fact of the matter is we all have those days, those weeks, where we're just not rah, 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 let's fix these cars, let's move, move, move. And it's okay, because every person out there in the world has those days. For some reason, technicians are expected to do maximum effort every day, no matter what. You know, you get service advisors, well, you've knocked that job out in 6 hours. I need that job out in 6 hours. Go, 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 go. And when you're having those kind of days, you really do need to slow down. The reason is, the more you're distracted by how you feel, the more likely a mistake is going to happen. You know, for me, my back's a little pissed off, so I lean the wrong way, my back hurts. I may not forget to go back and double check the torque on those fasteners, come back with a leak because I forgot to tighten that last fastener, of course, at the bottom or whatever. So it's really important when you are feeling like that, that you do take the time to slow down and kind of regroup. Because if you don't and you rush through it in flat rate mentality, it'll bite you the next week when you're actually, back to full strength or whatever the issue is, and you're trying to churn back to your normal schedule. You're going to have those comebacks. It's just the law of the land. Every flat rate tech has had a week where he's just slamming it. And then that nightmare car pulls back in and your week is shot. Because you're going to spend 3, 4, 6 hours trying to figure out why it's come back. We've all been there. So it's really important when you're having a day that you're off or a week that you're off, just to kind of pull back a little bit, slow down, and really evaluate everything you're doing instead of just trying to muscle through it. Muscle throughing it is great when you're 20. When you're my age, 49, it hurts a lot more. It's easier to get distracted. So you always got to go back and double check. So don't muscle through it. Pull back, take it slower, take the week easy. I know it's not always easy on flat rate to pull back, got to go, 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 go. That's the mentality, that's the shop's mentality. But all this applies to hourly employees as well. A bad week is not going to kill anybody. A mistake can get very expensive. Just take it easy for a week or a couple days or whatever it is to get back to normal. What's the worst that can happen? You get a service writer yelling at you? Well, that doesn't happen every day now, does it? Well, I mean, I yell back, but I have issues. So anyway, thanks for watching. As always, I am the Flat Rate Master.